Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to go offline on Ubisoft Connect. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to, of course, and download the Ubisoft Connect application. If you're having struggles with that, you can always go on our YouTube channel where we have a separate video on that, where you can go and check out that. You then need to go and log into your account, create it, and now let's see what we have in front of us. So on the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the home, library, store, Ubisoft Plus, the download manager. Here we have your account. You have to subscribe to Ubisoft Plus and a lot of different things. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and go offline on Ubisoft Connect. So firstly, launch it, as I told you, and then click on the three lines in the top left corner and open the menu. So you need to go and click on, of course, here in your profile, and then we open this menu here. And then you just need to go and click on, of course, here we have profile management, key activation, and all of these things. You can, of course, go to your profile. And here you can see that your online status is green. You just need to go and click here and click invisible. And now you are invisible and you are like you're offline. So that is how you can go and do that. So this will enable the offline mode, allowing you to play Ubisoft games without an internet connection or all those things. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.